people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna paint landscape, and for that we'll need black, cobalt blue hue, green, white, yellow ochre, sap green, lemon yellow. I've put all of the color on this palette, and I'll be starting with a very simple sky gradient and then green landscape. The surface I'm painting on is a circular piece of paper stick onto a piece of cardboard. If any of you try any of my painting tutorials or DIYs, you can share it with me on my IG, and the link to my Instagram is in the description. I'll make sure that I repost it on my story. Guys, we're so close to 600 subscribers on YouTube, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure you subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, enjoy. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.